Hey, hello everybody. Good afternoon. It's Saturday, and we're getting started with some deals, some new deals. There's some good stuff coming up. I got some multifamilies right behind this one. Some really good deals coming up. So this is ideal for the person that's starting off and has a hard time getting properties at wholesale prices. So we will definitely supply you with wholesale prices off market properties for you to start off and market and be able to make some quick money and move on to the next phase. But this is the best way to get started in real estate, doing wholesaling and flipping properties. So done it all my life, basically over 25 years. So every time I need money, I go flip the property. But it's not like that. We just keep building our estate and looking for certain niches that we want to focus on. So today we have a single family home. This is it right here, 641 North 69th Way, and this is in Hollywood. Good area, Hollywood. I like Hollywood because it brings a lot of tourists, and it's always demand for housing or for Airbnb. Airbnb is great because you see here in a minute. Here's the property here, and let's see where the beach is. Look at this. Not too far. Not too far. Let me do this in here. Here we go. Okay. So where are we? Come on. Here. Okay, sorry. So here's the ocean. So it's very close to the ocean. I would say maybe 10-minute drive with no traffic, obviously. And the beaches in Hollywood are great. They're gorgeous. They got a boardwalk and a lot of eateries and bars and pubs and clubs. Nice hotels, 5-star hotels. And so it's a great place to just go and relax. So let's analyze this deal, okay? Wholesale price single family real estate deal, 641 North 69 Way, Hollywood. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, CBS home, 980 square feet. Is complete rehab. Asking price 204,990. So do your due diligence. I'm going to give you some information right after this. What I'm going to do from now on, I'm going to put the links on the bottom of it so you can go back to the links. You don't have to go looking for them, because these sources are third-party sources that I use. We do have a shortcut how to do this, but I like to show you how it's done manually. Down the road, I'll share with you some of the tools that we use for you to be able to expedite all this, because this takes time to do. So let's look at the first option, Redfin. Tells me the prices could be from 256 to 283. And basically is, let's see what I've got here. They give me here some of the, let me go down here. It's a 3-1, 120 square feet, built in 1958. And right here it gives you this, we're going to give us here all the sales. Real estate sale in the last 30 days. Median list price, $329,000. Okay, so this is a sale in the last 30 days. The 70 homes sold in the last 30 days. Like I said, Hollywood's a hot area. So you can definitely, fix it, rent it, or just flip it out. Or just, I don't know, just whatever your game plan is, execute it. Now let's go see the area. We're now in Trivia. Here it is. And let's see the marketplace, the crime area. It's good to know we're getting involved in. And this is a good area. So there's nothing highlighted here. So it's the lowest crime area you can have. It's good. And like I said, I'll share the link from now on. Then we're going to go to the county. We are at the county, the property appraiser's office, to confirm the property address, make sure it's there. Property taxes, $4,006. And we're dealing with a 1-family 3-1. So it's a complete property. So we're looking good. Now let's go to, I want to show you the sale. There's a sale here, 1021, 2020 for $355. So here's the address. Do your due diligence and see what you got there. Okay, this is $100. It's a transfer. It's another one here for $340, $342, $341. So in the last month, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 months, 5, 6, 7 sales. So it's a hot market. I'm telling you, this is a good area. Here's the property, it's a corner lot. You can get all these details here about the property, how much the guy who owns it bought it for before, and so on and so forth. So again, guys, this is an opportunity for you to get involved in real estate. I'm doing all the work for you ahead of time, giving you wholesale deals so you guys can flip them We're willing to have you pick it up, put it on the contract, and then flip it out. It's up to you. But we're here to work with you. We want to build relationships. We want to build harmony, synergy, that we can work together and help anybody and all of us together. Like they say, together all achieve more. Team, together each achieve more. So focus on this. Any questions, don't hesitate to call me. Look at the video, give me a thumbs up, share it, and we go from there. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. God bless you. Stay safe, and we should have a president hopefully by the end of the day. So let's see who the champion is. Thank you, and bye-bye.